Hi there, students. Lure. Lure. To lure as a verb, or lure as a noun. I think a countable noun, yes. So, to lure, it's very similar to the verb to tempt. To lure, to lead somebody into a wrong or foolish act. Okay? But to lure gives the idea of bait, of something to attract a person into a trap. So the cheese lured the mouse into the trap. Lure also gives the idea that the person does not know that it's a trap. They don't know that this action is wrong or foolish, and they will discover to their cost later. To tempt, on the other hand, gives the idea of somebody encouraging, persuading, making it attractive for somebody to do something that they do know is wrong or unwise. So the cheese tempted the mouse into the trap. It's okay, but I think lure is better. Okay, the cheese tempted the mouse, it was attractive. The cheese lured the mouse, it tricked the mouse into going in. The man lured the child into his car using sweets. Lure often implies that somebody has bad intentions. More generally, we can use lure just to mean to attract, to entice. Ooh, that looks nice. The wonderful smell lured him into the restaurant. The bright lights of the city lure people from the countryside. Okay? So just attract. Yeah? If it's a trap or not, maybe not. So to lure, to attract, or to attract somebody into a trap. The idea of an easy life lured him into crime. It lured him away from the straight and narrow. The country lures people with the ideas, the attractive ideas of clean living and few people. Notice in English as well we have the verb and noun allure, to allure, and this just means attraction. The allure of bungee jumping is the rush of adrenaline. Okay? The adrenaline rush allures people. Wow, I'd love to do that. They lured the animal into the cage using food. The lure of his mother's cooking brought him back home again. So, to attract, generally, or to attract into a trap, to attract into a situation which you shouldn't be in. Now, next question, what about formality? I think this probably, I give 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it in an informal conversation and you could use it in a very formal document, so nice and flexible. It's a regular verb, to lure. It lured him. He has been lured by the bright lights. Now, next question. What about not a formality, about origin, about etymology. There was a Proto-Germanic word, lopra, meaning to attract. And I think this word has come into English through Frankish and Anglo-Norman French. So, to lure, to attract somebody into doing something that is not very sensible. The idea of using something as bait to get the victim to end up in the trap. But there doesn't have to be a trap. Yeah, although very often there is. The lure of a good meal took him to see his aunt. He didn't like her very much, but the idea, the lure of a good meal attracted him. So there you go, lure. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lure.